Gotta do that shadow work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta do that shadow work. And a lot of people be afraid to face them demons, man. You gotta, man, that's yourself. We embody all that. You gotta master yourself. You gotta master yourself, man. You can't be afraid to face the ugly. Everybody just everybody just wanna focus on the good and shit. Man, you can't sweep that under the rug because it's coming up. You can't just focus on the good. How you gonna how you gonna be balanced? That's all. It's all about balance. See what I'm saying? Shit, tips on shadow work. Shit, you gotta see things for what they are and not what you want it to be. See what I'm saying? A lot of people hide from that darkness within them and try to pretend that it's not there. You gotta be truthful to yourself. Tell yourself the truth. That's the only way that you gonna be able to rise above it. So you gotta see the truth and accept it for what it is. See it for what it is, and then you overcome it, and then you let it go. That's the learning process. That's a part of us learning, coming here to learn. See, a lot of people stunt their growth because they don't want to face the ugly. Man, you gotta face the ugly. We are everything, and everything is us. See what I'm saying? That's the only way that you can rise. You hear me? You gotta face the ugly and the scary. See what I'm saying? You gotta kick that fear to the side, cause ain't nothing to be afraid of, cause everything is you. That's the only way that you will be able to rise. See what I'm saying? That's the only way that you will be able to rise, to overcome all the good, the bad, and the ugly. You gotta accept yourself for who you are. We embody all of that, good, bad, and ugly. It's about balance. See what I'm saying? A lot of people deceive themselves because we've been taught to deceive ourselves. Ashe, ashe, ashe. No, I'm not in Louisiana. Shit, I probably got some lookalikes. You know, we all look alike. Peace, peace, family. I hope y'all taking care of yourself out there. I hope y'all raising the vibration. I'm sending love, peace, abundance, prosperity to all. May we rise in unity. We are raising the vibration up in here. Peace, family. Gratitude for y'all tuning in. Gratitude. Ashe, ashe, ashe. 10, 10, 10, 10. Gratitude for the gifts. Gratitude. We spreading love. Love on yourself. I love you. You love you too. You gotta develop that that beautiful relationship with yourself. It's beautiful. It's the most beautiful time to be alive. Just now know we ascending in this God body. See what I'm saying? We are forming. We are forming, taking our power back. Let this matrix crumble. This shit ain't, gotta get rid of that illusion that they put in our mind. These motherfuckers want to control everything, man. We came here to be free and be who we are. Out in nature. Go back to nature. Nature will tell you everything. Nature has all the answers. Go to mother. See what I'm saying? These motherfuckers came here and destroyed everything. Now we are rebuilding. We are the custodians. We come here to take care of mother. Take care of this planet. It's cleanup time, chaos season. So we gotta gut this matrix out. See what I'm saying? We gotta gut this matrix out so that we can rebuild. And the best way to do that is strictly go within and rise up. See what I'm saying? Because this is the body. We are in the body of Mother Earth. We are vessels. See what I'm saying? It's cleanup season. So don't let all these evil entities distract you from your evolution, because they are desperate for your energy. They are desperate for energy. Do not let them do not feed off of that bullshit that they putting on in this media and shit. I share, all skin ain't kin. All skin ain't kin, for real. That's why it's a must. It's a must for us to stay on a high vibration and use our discernment. Like, and see what that eye, because that eye don't lie. That first eye, they call it the third eye. Your spiritual sight don't lie. It sits high and look low. See what I'm saying? That's the real truth. That's why they wanna tell us, they wanna try to scare us away from ourselves. I know a lot of people just trying to ride that wave and really not living this shit, man. You gotta live this shit. You gotta breathe this shit. For real, like a lot of people. I mean, you know, some people could talk good, but ain't living that shit.